How we do one thing is how we do everything. With clarity and character. Instead of complexity, Audi chooses radical simplicity as its path to the future. This strive for clarity is a mindset that focuses on what truly matters. At the IAA Mobility 2025, Audi revealed a new identity, one that preserves its focus and clarity as it evolves both for the future. Driving a transformation that is clear, technical, intelligent, emotional. These principles extend into space and communication. Creating an experience that feels unmistakably Audi.